Dennis Livingston. I'm the director for the MBR Systems Technologies group at Ovivo, and I manage both the operations side and the sales side of the group. We have a couple of different technologies that make up the MBR group at Ovivo. We have the smaller MBR systems that are called microblocks. Those range in size from, say, 5,000 gallons per day up to 100,000 gallons per day. And we also offer basically customized integrated systems for larger MBR plants, generally go into concrete tanks that are in ground. Well, MBR technology was new to the United States, especially to the US, or to the municipal market back in 2001, when Ovivo, then Enviroquip, brought over the flat plate technology from Japan. Actually, there were no flat plate installations in the US. Our first plant was in Bandon Dunes, Oregon, actually. It's a 125,000 gallon per day system, but initially it was only treating 5,000 gallons per day. For that first plant that we worked with the engineer to design and supply the system, it was installed actually in 2002. It was initially treating 5,000 gallons per day. If you fast forward to the present time, we're actually commissioning a 42 million gallon per day system in Canton, Ohio right now. So back in 2001, we provided the first MBR system in the US with flat sheet technology, flat plate technology. Now we have over 300 plants or systems out there that are currently operating, and we're in the process of finishing startup for this 42 MGD MBR, one of the largest in the world, in Canton, Ohio. So MBR technology has come a long way since 2001. We've actually used 6 different types of membrane modules since integrating that very first system in Bandon Dunes. And with each innovation or generation of the technology, not only do they become more efficient, but usually there's a problem that's solved. Now we're using, for example, flat sheets versus flat plates. And flat plate's a very good technology in and of itself. It's robust, easy to maintain. But one of the issues that we have with it is that it is susceptible to what's called clogging or ragging. So that was actually a significant risk factor that we wanted to minimize or mitigate. It's really tough to do with the plate technology. But we were able to address it with the sheets because they're pliable and they're flexible, so that if clogging happens, the operators can actually rinse out that material from the top without taking the modules, without removing the modules from the tank. It's fairly safe, fairly quick process if it's done proactively. So that was a big step forward in terms of maintenance as far as the evolution of the technology itself.